Hi everyone, welcome back to Think of Mind. In this video, I'll show you how to fix FPS drops in Windows 10 for better gaming performance using simple, step-by-step methods. If you're experiencing low FPS, game stuttering, or sudden frame rate drops while gaming, this tutorial will help you optimize your Windows 10 PC and improve overall performance. Just follow along and you'll learn the best settings and fixes to make your games run smoother. Let's get started.
Method 1. Step 1. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type regedit, and press Enter to open the Windows Registry Editor. The registry is a powerful tool that stores important system configurations. Opening it allows you to change hidden settings that can affect gaming performance. Step 2. Navigate to HKey Local Machine Software, Microsoft U Windows, NT's current version multimedia system profile. This location contains performance settings used by Windows for multimedia tasks like gaming and streaming. Accessing this path allows you to modify the network throttling setting. Step 3. Find and double-click Network Throttling Index in the list of registry entries. This value controls how Windows limits network performance during multimedia tasks. Changing it can help remove hidden network restrictions while gaming online. Step 4. Set the value data to FFFFF. This disables Windows network throttling so your internet connection is not artificially limited during gameplay. As a result, online games may experience fewer stutters and smoother performance. Step 5. Click OK to save the changes and restart your PC. Restarting ensures the new registry setting is applied properly. After rebooting, your system will run without the network throttling limit during gaming. Method 2. Step 1. Press Windows plus S and type Disk Cleanup in the search bar. Disk Cleanup is a built-in Windows tool used to remove unnecessary files from your system. It also allows you to clear old shader cache files that may cause stuttering. Step 2. Open Disk Cleanup and select the C drive, which is usually the drive where Windows is installed. Choosing the correct drive ensures the tool scans system files and caches related to Windows and installed programs. Step 3. Click Clean Up System Files and allow Windows to scan the drive again. This option reveals additional system cache files that are not visible in the first scan. These files sometimes accumulate over time and affect performance. Step 4. Scroll down and check DirectX shader cache from the list. Shader cache stores compiled graphics data used by games. Clearing it removes outdated files so Windows can rebuild fresh shaders for better compatibility. Step 5. Click OK and then select Delete Files to remove the cache. This forces your system to rebuild optimized shader files when you launch games again. As a result, it can reduce microstutters and improve frame consistency. Method 3. Step 1. Open Settings from the Start menu and go to System. The System section contains display and graphics options that control how Windows handles applications and games. Adjusting these settings can help prioritize gaming performance. Step 2. Click Display and then open Graphics Settings. This area lets you manage how specific apps use your GPU. It is especially useful if your system has both integrated and dedicated graphics. Step 3. Find your games.exe file in the list, or click Browse to manually add it. Adding the game ensures Windows recognizes it as a program that needs dedicated graphics resources. This helps avoid performance issues caused by the wrong GPU being used. Step 4. Click Options and select High Performance. This forces Windows to run the game using the high-performance GPU instead of a low-power integrated one. Doing this can significantly improve FPS stability. Step 5. Click Save to apply the setting. Once saved, Windows will always use the dedicated GPU for that game. This helps maintain smoother gameplay and prevents sudden FPS drops. Method 4. Step 1. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter to open the Services Manager. This tool allows you to control background services that run automatically in Windows. Some of these services can consume system resources while gaming. Step 2. Find connected user experiences and telemetry in the list of services. This service collects diagnostic data and sends it to Microsoft in the background. While useful for system feedback, it can sometimes use CPU resources unnecessarily. Step 3. Double-click the service and set startup type to manual or disabled. Doing this prevents the service from constantly running in the background. Reducing background tasks can help free system resources for gaming. Step 4. Find delivery optimization in the services list. This service allows your PC to share Windows updates with other devices over the internet. Although helpful for updates, it can use network bandwidth during gaming. Step 5. Double-click delivery optimization and set the startup type to manual or disabled. Disabling it prevents background bandwidth usage and reduces potential lag. This helps maintain a smoother online gaming experience